Hello everyone, my name is Joh Fukushima.
My name is Takuya Yabushita.
And Kotaro Kobayashi.
And Taiki.
Today we are going to give you a presentation of our Scilab audio player. Our objective of this project is to analyze and create a Scilab audio player which can be used to the audio. We have already learned signal processing, but we have not used it in real-world applications. Therefore, through this process, we learn signal processing practically. In part 1, we created a time domain graph. We can see beats and volume changes. In part 2, we created a frequency domain graph. We can see the magnitude spectrum of the block of the audio. In part 3, we added 4 new features to the Scilab audio player, which demo gave us. First, we added a new button, which is titled Exit. With this feature, we can exit from the Scilab audio player. Second, we added new text, which is shown when the Scilab music player is loaded. With this feature, we can know how to proceed. Third, we added a new button, which is titled Replay. With this feature, we can replay the song. Last, we changed the back screen. With this feature, we can see clearly visible Scilab audio player.
Part 1. Description of Part 1. First, we explain Part 1. We played the music and displayed the wave pattern of the music by the program on Scilab in Part 1. We use the music that the daemon provided. Then please see the wave pattern, which displays the music. It is the wave pattern of the music that this graph shows. The x-axis expresses time of this graph. The y-axis expresses amplitude of this graph. We introduce some main program codes. This program loads the wave file. This program opens mSound for playback. This program decides length of each block. This program decides length of each song. This program extracts a block of the song. This program sets plot properties. We displayed a wave pattern using these programs.
In Part 2, we changed the program code of Part 1. We plotted a graph different from graph of Part 1. The x-axis is frequency and y-axis is magnitude. The unit of frequency of x-axis hertz and y-axis decibel. We used the same data as in Part 1. However, There are differences between the graph of part 2 and part 1 because the graph in part 2 used the FFT spectral audio. This problem called for FFT code.
In part 3, we added 4 new features of Scilab audio player, which demo provided us. First, I will introduce the new button, which is written exit in GUI creation code area. We defined hExist button to use new button and use the unit control function to show the button. And we determined string, font name, font size, and position. In addition, we used a callback function, this one, to clear what to perform and named it callback exist button. In utility functions area, we defined callback exit button as a function. Therefore, callback exit button is worked. And we wrote xdel when it's saved to cross all current figures. This one. To cross all current figures means to exit from Scilab audio player. So we could make exist button. This one. Second, I will introduce the new text which is shown when the Scilab music player is loaded. In GUI creation code area, we defined hExist to use the new text and use the unit control function to show the text. And we determined font name, font size, and position. Not interesting is the string. This one. We wrote press the open button to select a music file. Therefore, we can know how to proceed. Concretely, if we want to listen to music, we press the open button to choose a song. I will show you the demonstration of exit button. When we push exit button, we can exit from Scilab audio player. I will show you the demonstration of the new text. When we load the Scilab audio player, we can see the press the open button to select a music file.
The two functions that we edit are as follows. We edit the new button that is titled replay. If this button is pushed, we can replay music. We made the function of replay button using start button. The operation of the replay button is the same as one of start buttons. We used if-else property on and realize a replay button. We made a background green. Changing the color of the background, we used the program of the slide. When we change the font number, we can change it to various colors. I will show you the demonstration of replay button. When we push the play button, we can listen to the music, and then when we push the replay button, we can reset the music from the beginning.
Conclusion. As can be seen from the above, Part 1. Change beats and volume changes. Part 2. The magnitude spectrum of the block at audio. We learned signal processing. We challenged ourselves to make the audio player. Making use of our education of signal processing, we wanted to make the audio player. For example, our player has display of the current position in the song, and it can change the volume. Actually, we made the audio player. We added an open button, exit button, and replay button, and changed the back screen color to green. As a result, our audio player has 6 features. This audio player is very functional and easy to use with various features. After making the audio player, we learned signal processing more, and we were interested in the audio player processing. It was fun to make the audio player. How about you try making that? Thank you.